Another day, another story. Yoga is a great practice for beginners as it helps improve flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. Here's a 10-minute yoga routine for beginners that you can follow. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, arms at your sides, and palms facing forward. Relax your shoulders and take a few deep breaths. 2. Standing forward fold, Uttanasana. Exhale and fold forward from your hips, allowing your head and neck to relax. Bend your knees slightly if needed. You can hold onto your elbows or let your arms hang freely. 3. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From the forward fold, place your hands on the mat shoulder width apart, step back with both feet, and lift your hips up to form an inverted V shape. Press your palms into the mat and relax your heels toward the floor. Hold for a few breaths. 4. Child's pose, Balasana. From downward facing dog, lower your knees to the mat and sit your hips back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply and relax in this pose. 5. Cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana/Bidalasana. Come onto your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, lift your chest and tailbone, and allow your belly to sink towards the floor, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine upward, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly in, cat pose. Flow between these two poses for a few rounds, coordinating the movement with your breath. 6. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Lie down on your belly with your palms on the mat next to your shoulders. Inhale, press your palms into the mat, and lift your chest off the floor while keeping your pelvis grounded. Engage your back muscles and gently look up. Hold for a few breaths and then release. 7. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Place your arms alongside your body, palms facing down. Inhale, press your feet into the mat, lift your hips, and roll your spine off the floor. Keep your thighs parallel and interlace your fingers beneath you. Hold for a few breaths, and then slowly release back down. 8. Supine twist. Lie on your back with your arms extended out to the sides, forming a T shape. Bend your knees and drop them to the right side, keeping your upper back and shoulders on the mat. Gently turn your head to the left. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. 9. Shavasana, corpse pose. Lie down on your back, legs extended and arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to completely relax. Stay in this pose for a few minutes, focusing on your breath and letting go of any tension. Remember to listen to your body and never force any movement. If you feel any pain or discomfort, ease off or skip the pose. As a beginner, it's important to start slowly and gradually build up your practice over time. Enjoy your yoga journey. Thanks for watching.